Hello students, welcome back to online learning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss about your last chapter of term first, that is chapter 5th, Mel merge. So before explaining Mel merge, I am going to show you how to open the MS Word again. So click on search button and type here Microsoft Word 2010. Okay, open it. Okay, like that you can open the MS Word. MS Word is a word processing software for typing a letter. Okay, so firstly we are going to discuss about the mail merge. A mail merge is a facility provided by MS Word. Okay, so I am closing this tab. I have typed some data. I am opening it by clicking on it. So okay, so mail merge is a facility provided by MS Word. It combines two basic components, text with identical information and the text with changing information, that is data source and a recipient list. It is used to create letters, forms, envelopes, labels, catalogs and emails. A list of names and address can be combined with a form letter to create a personalized letter. So steps to create a main document. Firstly, we will create in mail merge main documents. Okay, because mail merge is a combination of main document plus data source or recipient list. So firstly, we are going to create main documents. Okay, so create a new document and type the letter or open an existing document that contains invitation letter that you need to send to a different recipient. Okay, so for this purpose, for mail merge, go to mailing tab. Where is the mailing tab? This. Now start mail merge group. Where is the mail merge group? This one. Okay, so here you can see the step by step mail merge wizard. Where is step by step mail merge wizard? This one. Okay, here you can see the in by the mail merge. What can you do? It is used to create a letters, forms, envelopes, labels, catalog and emails, etc. Okay, so click on step by step mail merge wizard. Click on this. Okay, here you can see. Now click on next starting document. Okay, here click on next starting document. Got it? Now click on next select a recipient. Okay, click here. Got it? Now next type a new list. Okay, and click on create option. Okay, so here a lot of fields are there, you can adjust according to you. So click on customize columns. Which fields you want, you can take it. Suppose I don't want title, delete it. Company name, delete. Last name I don't want. Okay, I am taking these three fields. Click on OK button. Okay. So type the fields information here. Suppose I am typing first name Ram, city Bhopal, country India. Now next Sham, country Indore, city Indore, country India. Okay. Now click on OK button. Okay. So it will ask where you want to. So see, we have created a main document. Now this one is my data source. Okay. So I am giving the name here friend list. Now click on save. Okay. It is saving now. See. Okay. So here you can perform many operation like sort. You can sort ascending or descending, or you can filter anything. Suppose this is only we are talking about a short data. If the data is big, then you can easily sort it, filter it. Enough. You can find duplicates. You can find recipients. You can do many things here. Okay. Now click on OK. Got it? Now next thing, what is merge fields? Okay. Now it's time to merge your data source into your main document. Okay. Now we are merging data source and main document. For that you must have to define the fields name in your main document. So you can get your record in the main document either from option mail merge task pane, mailing tab, right, and insert field. Okay. So here you can click write your letter. Click here. Now click on review your text. Okay. Now next thing is complete the merge. Okay. Now next complete the merge. Okay. So if you want to now your merging completed. Now to view the merged data information, whether it is inserted according to merge fields or not, we can see this data by the following steps. Okay. So here you can click on the preview result. Okay. Or you can see on that preview result. Okay. Now next thing, how can you printing letters? For printing letters, firstly you have to click on complete the merge. Now after this you can see the print option, choose the print. Okay, you want to give all, then click on OK. Okay, you can set according to your how many pages you want, and then click on OK. Okay, your printer is not installed, that's why it is giving like that. Okay, so this is called mail merge. So today we have discussed about chapter 5th. It was the last chapter of your term first. So we will discuss about next chapter in the next class. Thank you.